take a roundup of the AI news that has happened in this entire week. Some of the top AI news we'll be exploring. So let's get started. So the first news that I want to share with you is an amazing news. The first news is Elon Musk's XAI, the company which he has co-founded in the month of July 2023, has released its first product called Grok. It's a tough competitor to ChatGPT as far as it is rumored. Okay, let's see how it functions. So basically, this was first released on November 4th. It was initially released to a few set of users, but now this week, Elon Musk XAI is going to release it to all the people who have subscription of Twitter's Premium Plus. So Twitter, basically the X now, rebranded to X, has got multiple subscription options now. One is Premium and the one is Premium Plus. So all the Premium Plus subscriptions, the highest subscription of X, if you are on that, you will get access to the Grok chatbot. And it's been built with some specific use cases in mind. So the entire world is looking forward to what unique capabilities it has. And if you get the chance, you can just try it out. If you're on the Premium Plus subscription, you can try it out. Basically, Grok is thought to be more contextual towards scientific discoveries and mainly that science related things. Okay, so in fact their mission statement is around that only. So this is a big news. And although Grok has not been so trending recently because it's a paid product, right? Only if you have the Premium Plus subscription you get access to Grok. Whereas ChatGPT, if you remember, within just 5 days of its launch, it got its 1 million users, that is 10 lakh users. That was a massive, crazy growth all throughout the world. It created a sensation in the entire world within just few days of its launch. And right now, ChatGPT has got more than 180 million plus users across the world. The major factor which led to this was ChatGPT is a free to use app, right? Initially, then there is a premium subscription, but anybody can start using GPT 3.5 as of now for free of cost. But whereas that is not the case with Grok AI. So just check the latest updates on what Grok AI has to do. Let's move on to the second update. Amazon is not far behind the AI race. In fact, they have been consistently ramping up their efforts to build some unique products, and one of such product is called Q. Okay, Amazon Q. So it's basically a chatbot for enterprises. So ChatGPT is basically can be used by anybody, irrespective of whether you're a business or you're a professional or you're a creator, freelancer, anybody can use it. But Amazon wants to take a lead, wants to dominate the market in enterprise AI solutions, right? And as a result of that, they have released this product, Amazon Q, which is specifically focused on boosting workplace productivity. And from their official website, they clearly mention that your generative AI powered assistant designed to work that can be tailored to your business. Now, big organizations, although ChatGPT has got an enterprise edition where there is not any issue about security or privacy. Okay, so there is an enterprise edition, but Amazon wants to compete in that, and that's why they have released this. So mainly Amazon wants to capture as many businesses as they can with this new AI tool, which has got a lot of unique capabilities, and some of which include personalized business assistance. So Amazon Q adapts to individual users, offering features based on roles, permission, and usage patterns. So whatever role you might be doing in your organization, based on that hierarchy, this Amazon Q, if your organization adopts to that, will be assisting you to boost your productivity, to do the work with optimum efficiency and get better output. So as an organization, if an organization wants to boost their productivity and bring about better results, they would be willing to take up this Amazon Q. Then next is enhanced productivity tools. So instead of Amazon Q, there are so many different sub tools which organization can use to boost their productivity. And lastly, integration and security. So Amazon Q connects seamlessly with other data sources that enterprises might use. So some of the organizations have Amazon AWS, right? They're holding their entire data, hosting their entire data on Amazon AWS, or maybe the Google Cloud platform, or maybe Microsoft Azure. And so they have integrations with all of that. So any organization, if they want to onboard on Amazon Q, they'll be easily and seamlessly be able to do that. And this is how the UI of Amazon Q looks like. It can be of multiple use cases. One of the use cases is draft a professional email. Every organization and every employee within that organization has a use case of drafting emails, right? So Amazon Q will be able to do that. Although there are so many AI tools, ChatGPT can do that, but Q is well positioned to do that in the professional context. It's basically your AI powered expert, or you can call it your AI powered assistant within an organization. Okay, then you can just do a lot of the things, like, whatever you do, like for example, you want to work on some project or some strategy for marketing, you want to work on some sales strategy or development strategy. So Amazon Q can be used for developing those strategies as well. So this is one of the amazing updates, big updates in the market right now. Amazon has released the Q. Wrapping up this, let's move on to the third and very exciting announcement, Deepmind. Okay, Deepmind AI. Basically, this is a company coming from Google. Google had acquired this company, Deepmind, and now they have combined Google's AI division and Deepmind to call Google Brain, basically. Okay, so Google AI company. Now they have found out, basically, they have done a research where they have found out more new materials in a year than scientists have done in centuries. So what this is, basically, this particular model Deepmind company has trained to figure out new compounds or new chemical products, basically inorganic products. And what this AI model did is it came up with its own logic algorithms to figure out formulas for creating new chemical products, inorganic products. And now, as a result of that, you see Deepmind's AI has found more materials in a year than scientists have in centuries. What does this mean? Basically, all throughout the centuries, whatever chemical compounds scientists have been working day and night to create, this AI model from Deepmind has done that in less than 1 year. And to be precise, how many models, how many new products have been created? Just like it, let's take a look at that. Google DeepMind research have trained a deep learning model to predict the structure of 2.2 million crystalline materials. Okay, 2.2 million, 22 lakh materials it has figured out, 40 times more, 45 times more than the number discovered in the entire history of science. Can you believe this? Entire efforts of scientists at one place, 45 times more than that just by this DeepMind AI in just less than 1 year. And out of that 22 million, 381,000 are thought to be stable, meaning which they could not decompose. That means they can be used in industries and so many other places. And not only that, there is an advanced AI automation model which is being run, which can help build these products. Okay, you see, I'll just showcase it to you. I'll just read this, just take a look at this. And a team from Berkeley Lab has already been using autonomous robots to synthesize materials. So whatever formulation, whatever formula for the products this DeepMind has come up, there is a robot, there is an automatic robot which is working to create that product in actual reality and test it out. And as a result of that, this autonomous AI powered robot was able to bring 41 of 58 predicted materials to life in just 17 hours. So this AI system, DeepMind's AI system, in combination with this autonomous robot, has created 41 new compounds, new products in just 17 hours. And there are so many predictions now. If this kind of AI is built, just imagine whatever diseases that we have. If AI can come up with its own medicines or formulations for those medicines for so many diseases, majority of the diseases in the world can be eradicated so easily, right? And that is where the AI is heading in the healthcare industry as well. And let me show you that autonomous robot which has been developed. You see, this is an optional block from Google, millions of new materials discovered with deep learning. And it's an intensive block. You can take a look at that. I'll share the link of this. But you see, A-Lab, the facility at Berkeley Lab where artificial intelligence guides robots in making new materials. So this robot is making new compounds, new products. Can you believe this? It's combining different products and forming new products that can be used in variety of ways. And some of them are going to be used in basically electric cars and electronic gadgets and there are replacements to silicon and so many others that this AI has predicted. If this comes to life, we'll be seeing a drastic transformation in the EV industry specifically. So that's what they have given. So make sure to check this out, this blog later on. Okay, next big news that I want to share with you is Elon Musk has predicted that AGI, basically artificial general intelligence, can be achieved in next 3 years. What is AGI? AGI stands for artificial general intelligence. It's basically one of the end goals of all the AI efforts that teams, scientists, everyone is putting all across the world. The goal is to build one universal AI system which can do a lot of the things, which can learn anything, which can do anything. That's basically AGI. And now Elon Musk predicts this AGI system, if you go with the same pace of development, within 3 years, that AGI can be built. which can help us in solving so many of the world's issues. What kind of issues? Just take a look at that. So recently, Elon Musk was interviewed at one of the event, and this is what he has to say. Just take a look at this.
Smarter than the smartest human at anything. Can write as good a novel as, say, J.K. Rowling, or discover new physics, or invent new technology. I would say that we are less than 3 years from that point. You say smarter than the smartest human at anything. Can write as good a novel as, say, J.K. Rowling, or discover new physics, or invent new technology. I would say that we are less than 3 years from that point.
Did you hear that? He's predicting smarter than the smartest human being alive on the planet. Basically, that AGI system will be able to write as good novels as J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter series. That AGI will be able to write such best-selling novels. That AGI system will be able to build new inventions. It will be able to come up with new solutions, new medicines. And how abundant will that world be, right? How we'll be able to eradicate so many problems with which we are facing right now, right? So this is an amazing prediction which Elon Musk has made recently. And if you're curious enough to watch the entire episode of this, I'll be sharing the link. You can just take a look at that. It's a 1 hour, 22 minutes podcast, basically the interview podcast. You can just take a look at that. Next update, the last update that I have is an exciting one. One of the company named Lucid has launched AI powered or ChatGPT powered eyewear. And just take a look at this, how amazing their product is. So there is this company Lucid which has launched eyewears, and this is powered by ChatGPT. Can you believe this? So you need to wear those, and this device, you will be able to speak to this device. There's a microphone installed, there is a speaker installed. You can ask questions to this, and they have this dedicated mobile app. You'll be able to get answers on that mobile app. There are some templates available for the prompts, and as well as you can ask the questions while wearing that eyewear, and it will be able to give you the answers. Okay, you can hear those as well. You see AI hands-free with your glasses, and you can just use it inside of your app or through their device as well. So it's basically AI powered device. Some time ago, there was a bike, basically electric bike, that was created with the help of ChatGPT. You can ask any questions to that ChatGPT, which is powered with internet capability. And then you can ask any questions like the map and the routes and so many other things. So the next trend that's going to happen in 2024, as predicted, is many of the smart devices will be equipped with ChatGPT and many of such competing LLMs. And that would be such an awesome thing, right? Just imagine, your smartphones, by the way, there are apps as well, but there are other devices, wearable devices, and so many other devices. If they are equipped with ChatGPT like capabilities, how cool that will be. It will be able to, we'll be able to use it for so many use cases, right? So exciting world and exciting times ahead. So that's it basically for this weekly news roundup. Top news. There are so many news. Actually, there are so many things happening in the world of AI, but these are some of the best news that has happened in the last 1 week or so. Stay tuned for the next week's updates, and I hope you